Here at Crater Lake National Park. Wild flow and core workout just for you. This is 10 minutes non-stop. What we're going to be doing is a 30-30 split. 30 seconds of a wild flow movement, 30 seconds of a core. But if all you got is 10 minutes, you get after it right here, right now. Crater Lake in Oregon. It's beautiful. It is the deepest lake in the United States, the 7th deepest in the world. And it is so blue and pristine. I just love it. So glad you're here joining me for this outdoor body workout. We're going to start off with bear crawls in 3, 2, 1, let's go. 30 seconds, core tight. Let's get it. Let's go. "15 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flipping over. We got our bicycles. Let's get it. 30 seconds. Wild flow and core. Let's go. 15. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming up, we got our wild crunch. So remember, right here, crunching up. Squeezing tight, core tight. Bringing it all the way up. Let's get it. Woo! 30 seconds. Come on. 3, 2, 1. On our booties, we got flutter kicks. Let's go. Let's get it. We're on the west side with Wizard Island right behind us. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're in our wild stance or animal stance right here. We're extending out. Let's go. 15 seconds. Keep that core tight, belly button, spine. Ooh, that was quick. Crossovers. Hands underneath the booty. Let's go. Let's get it. Outdoor body up in Crater Lake National Park. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. We got our wild jacks. Core tight, belly button to spine. 30 seconds non-stop. Let's go. Beautiful summer day up here in Crater Lake National Park. Let's go. 10 seconds. Then we got our levers back on our back. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Right here. Hands underneath the butt. Legs coming straight up and straight down. Keeping the core tight, belly button to spine. Let's go. 15 seconds. Remember, focusing on those lower abs, bringing it all the way up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back in that animal stance. We got sideways animal walks right here. Keeping that core tight, belly button to spine. Let's go. So right here, sideways walking. Let's go. 10 seconds. Ooh, 3, 2, 1. And we got our toe taps, legs straight up. Got dust everywhere. Feeling good, looking good. Finishing up this first round. Then we go right into round 2. Let's go. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We got our bear crawls. Let's go, keeping that core tight. Come on. Forward and back. Ooh. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. On your booty. Bicycles. Let's go. Locking out. Core tight. Belly button spine. Let's go. 20 seconds. Breathing. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We got our wild crunch right here. Crunching up. Remember, coming through. Knee and elbow hit just like that. Squeezing tight. 15 seconds. Let's go. Woo! 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. On their booties again. We got our flutter kicks. Hands underneath the butt. Let's get it. Core tight. Belly button to spine. Let's go. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have our wild extensions. Remember, knee is about 2 inches off the ground, 3 inches. Extend all the way out. Let's go. Core tight. 15 seconds. This is so beautiful and blue. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have our crossovers. Hands underneath the butt. Right here. Almost there, working hard. Burning it up. Let's go, 20 seconds. Outdoor body. We're burning in Crater Lake. Come on. 10 seconds. Sweats in the eyes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We got our wild jacks. Come on. Burning that 30-second hardcore cardio. Let's go. Woo! 15 seconds. Dust is flying up. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We got our levers. Hands underneath the butt. Legs coming straight down. Straight up. Let's go. Almost there. Working hard. Let's get it. 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We got our wild walks. Let's go. And our animal stance. Let's go side to side. Core tight. Belly button to spine. Let's go. Getting in that shadow. Come on. 15 seconds. Stay with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one. We got our toe taps. Straight up. Come on, 30 seconds. Finish strong. Do it for Crater Lake. Sweats in my eyes. Let's get it. Woo! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and time. That is your 10-minute outdoor body burn workout. Remember, you can always do that 2 times, make it a 20-minute workout. Mobility before, stretching after. That is your wild flowing core, mixing it up here in Crater Lake National Park. Thank you for joining me for that workout. Remember, mobility before, stretching after, 10 minutes non-stop. Do it 2 times, do it even 3 times. Ramp up that metabolism. Thank you for joining me. I'll see y'all next time for the outdoor body workout. Stay wild.